Well, it is tax time again, and maybe if you are like many agents I talk to, you are in a position where you did not save enough throughout the year, or maybe you did and you saved a little bit too much, or throughout the year you're just not entirely sure how much to save and don't want to worry about trying to figure it out every time you have a closing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how in Legend we are able to easily determine how much we owe from each commission based on that commission size. Now, this has been one of the sleeper features in Legend that I've been kind of surprised about. It's a pretty simple feature, but that is the name of the game with this app, right? Simplicity, simplicity, simplicity for the agent, so that you don't have to worry and spend a bunch of time learning systems and processes. You can just use this app and get all of the useful benefits. So the reason I say it's the sleeper is because consistently over and over in meetings, people have told me that this feature is super, super helpful. And I knew it was helpful, but I didn't realize how helpful it will be for agents that are using it. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how this works. So when we check out the app here, by the way, I'm running this on my computer, so I'm in kind of developer mode, but this is how the app looks in your phone. So this is our dashboard here. We won't go into everything here, but when we go to our closing screens, we're going to see kind of all of our commission data. Now, just to recap, closings, expenses, and miles, those three screens, the three main screens, all work exactly the same. So we have our snapshot up top, the add button, and then the quick view. And in the closing screen in particular, we have this nice little commission split section here. So the way this works is any closing that you have added in, we are going to be able to pull down from this drop-down list, right? So in this one, let's just pull the Tony Soprano, our most current closing. We see our net pay over here on the right, $15,005.91. And then we have this split section here. Now, this is customizable in the settings screen, so you can set whatever you have as your default split. But the nice thing here is right now we have it set at 20 to business, 55% to personal, and 25% to taxes. And you'll see the amount right on the left-hand side is going to tell you exactly how much to put into each account. And so, as a business owner, you need to keep money in your business account to pay for photography or to pay for whatever else on the next closing, or your monthly expenses or your MLS dues. So we can set how much we want to allocate towards our business accounts, how much we want to allocate towards personal spending and income, and how much we want to set aside for taxes. So in this case, again, we have 20, 55, and 25. But let's say we have a good accountant and the accountant says, hey, you only need to save 20% for taxes. You see that this amount from this check is going to change here, right? And then maybe, I don't know, maybe we up the personal pay to 60, right? It's going to tell us our total percent allocated down at the bottom here. You saw if it's below 100%, it's going to turn red there. So again, super simple feature, but very, very handy. We can do this for every single check. We can go in the settings screen. We can adjust whatever our default setting is, but we can always come in here and adjust and see exactly how much from each check we should be putting into each account. So that is it for this video. Super simple. I know tax time is coming up. It's a little bit stressful for people, but this is one of those features, like I said, that has been kind of a sleeper feature. Caught me by surprise at how many people said this is a super helpful feature. So if you are looking for an app or a system to help you track your finances in your real estate business, I want to encourage you to check out Legend. There is a comment that's pinned. You can check out the website. There's a promo video there, shows all the features. But guys, the whole name of the game with this app is simplicity. I know nobody likes doing this, and nobody likes spreadsheets and notebooks scattered all over the place. And so Legend is simple financial tracking built specifically for real estate agents. And you see that there just in that little demo, right? So it tracks your closings, your expenses, and your miles. It has reporting so that when tax season comes next year, all you have to do is click one button to export the report. You file that report, or you forward that report to your CPA, and they are ready to go. They have everything they need, all your expenses listed by category, receipt, pictures attached to all those. And so it makes tax time a breeze, and it makes knowing how much to save for taxes throughout the year super, super simple. So that's it. Check it out in the comments. If you guys have any questions, feel free to send me a message. I'm happy to do one-on-one demos with you guys. Jump on Zoom. We can run through any questions you have, and we will go from there. So I hope you all have a great day. I will see you guys on the next video.